Are you excited?
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna meet our friends. My friends. They're gonna be your friends. Hi, girls!
Hi!
Oh, kamusta? By the way, this is my fiance, Troy. Troy, these are my friends, Babs and
Hello.
Roche.
Hello.
Hello, Troy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Welcome
you.
to Negros Occidental, Philippines.
Thank you so much.
Okay, let's
I'll leave you ladies to yourselves. Enjoy your... And anything you want, it's on me.
Wow.
Thanks, hon. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bongga. Well, baka sis, apang pa talaga yung nabinit mo.
True. Kaba. Siyempre naman, no, sabi ko naman sa inyo, di ba, maghahanap ako ng may datis. Kaya, ayan. O, ano pang hinihintay niyo? Mag-order na kaya tayo. Hayaan niyo, order na kayo ng lahat ng gusto niya kasi siya yung pagbabayarin natin. Okay?
Sige. Hi, ma'am. Good day. Welcome to Marina Pool and Events. May I take your order, please?
Alam mo, yung lahat ng bestsellers niyo na lang. Siyempre, special, di ba? Lahat, okay?
Okay po, ma'am. Thank you po.
Order pa kayo.
Wait lang. Pineapple juice na lang po yung sa akin.
Yun na din yung sa akin.
Noted po. Thank you. Thank you. Naku, sis. Sigurado ka ba? Lahat yun? Orderin mo? Eh, apat lang naman tayo yung kakain eh. Baka mamaya, isipin ng afa mo, patay gutom tayo. Nakakahiya, sis.
Oo nga.
Kaba, okay lang yun, no? Tsaka, marami namang pera yun. For sure, marami pang dollars yun, eh. Alam niyo ba, binilihan nga ako ng bagong cellphone, no? Tsaka, guess what? Bibilhan ako ng bagong bahay.
Wow. Bongga, yayamanin ka na talaga ngayon.
Sana all, sis.
Kaba. Tayo natin yung order natin. Alam mo yung masasarap yung mga pagkain dito. Kaya, I'm sure mag-e-enjoy kayo, no? Kailangan din natin to mag-unwind, no? Let's go. Ano kayong maarte? Come on.
Naku, sis. Napakaswerte mo talaga sa apa mo. Alam mo, sis, dapat pakaingatan mo lahat ng binibigay niya sa'yo eh. Mukhang bait pa naman ni Troy.
Oo. Ka natitira, ha? Wala naman siya palagi dito, eh.
Kai, what's this? The pool boy? What's he doing in our house? You cheating on me?
Yeah, obviously. And so what if I'm cheating on you? You don't actually think that I'm gonna spend the rest of my life with a bore like you, right? And besides, I got all I needed from you. So you can go back to your country where you actually belong.
What? After all I've done for you? You spent all my money and now you're gonna leave me? You can't do this to me. This is my house too.
Guess what? I just did, honey. And this house is under my name. So technically, it's mine. Now leave before I have you deported. Go now!
Balati bye.
Bowen. Sabi sa'yo eh. Dito ka na ngayon, ha?
My name is Troy. I went to see the love of my life, but did not know. This is my cautionary tale.
Troy? Troy, is that you?
Hi.
You remember me? I'm Pebbles. I'm Kai's friend. Remember?
I remember.
What happened to you? Oh my gosh. So, it's true that she just abandoned you? Oh my god. You know what? Why don't you come to my place? Till you find somewhere else to stay or maybe a way to go back to your country. Yes.
Thank you.
Come on. Let me help you. Let's go. Oh my god, you poor Troy.
Peps found me and let me stay at her house until I got back on my feet. My brother gave me my share of inheritance from Mom, so we started our new life with Peps. We fell in love with each other. Then one day.
Honey, thank you for everything.
Oh, you're so welcome.
Troy?
Kai, what are you doing here?
Okay?
Troy, I heard that you were here, so I come as fast as I can. I still love you. Please take me back.
Ano? Pagkatapos ng lahat ng ginawa mo sa kanya? Ang kapal naman ang mukha mo para pumunta dito. Bakit? Nalaman mo ba na may pera na ulit tong si Troy?
Bakit? Una naman siya naging akin at alam kong mahal niya pa rin ako. Ikaw, ahas ka. Nanunuhot ka ng tinitira ng iba.
Ahas. Ako pa tong ahas.
Bakit?
Hoy, hindi ko siya inahas sa'yo. Pinabayaan mo tong tao. Pagkatapos mo siyang huthutan ng pera, naubusan, at walang-wala na, pinabayaan mo palaboy sa daan. Gutom na gutom yung tao. Andito ako, sinalba ko siya. Alam mo, ikaw pong may kasalanan eh. Kung bakit nasisira tayong mga Pilipina sa kanila. Akala nila kasi pera lang yung habol natin sa kanila. Kapal din naman ang mukha mo. Pero, anyway, thank you sa'yo ha. Kasi ngayon, nakilala ko tong mapapangasawa ko. Asawa ko!
Asawa?
Yes, Kai, we are happily married. But I've already forgiven you. You have a nice day.
Go away.
Troy.
I said go away!
Opa one.
Silly.